Okay students, now look at the questions. Two numbers are in the ratio 5:7. The smaller number is 12 less than the larger number. Find the number. Here we don't know the numbers. What are the numbers? But we know the ratio. The ratio given, that is 5:7, and we need to find out the numbers. So one condition given in this question, that the smaller number is 12 less than the larger number. So let us find out the number. चलो हम लोग नंबर्स निकालते हैं. तो मैं फिर से कहता हूं कि तुम्हें क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व करने से पहले क्वेश्चंस को समझना बहुत जरूरी है. अगर एक बार क्वेश्चन समझ में आ गया तो आसानी से तुम कोई भी क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व कर पाओगे. इसका मतलब दो रेशियो दिया हुआ है और तुमसे कहा गया है कि तुम नंबर्स निकालो, छोटा नंबर्स भी और बड़ा नंबर्स भी. और छोटा नंबर्स क्या है, बड़े नंबर से 12 कम है. दैट व्हाट इट इज सेड हियर. The greater number, smaller number is 12 less than the smaller number. Find the number. So let us find the number. Let the numbers are 5x and 7x. According to the question, some condition is given in these questions, that 5x equal to 7x. This is smaller and this is larger. This is 12 less than the larger number. If I will put here minus 12, it becomes 24 less. So to make equal, we need to put here minus 12. So 5x, we should bring 7x to this side, should change the sign also, and minus 12 will remain here. Imply minus 2x equal to minus 12. This minus minus cancel, x should remain this side and 12 should reach this side. But these two will come to this side. It is multiplied. When it comes to this side, it is divide. 2 6 are 12. So we got the value of x, that is 6. After getting the value of 6, we came to know that what are the smaller number and what are the greater number. So therefore a smaller number is equal to 5x. Means what is the value of x? We got 6, 30. And what is the larger number? Larger number is equal to 7x. That is 7 into 6. 7 6 are 42. In this way you have to solve the